Flight mode. Full power. Crimson Rith online. Civilian count 47. Complete collapse in 18 minutes. Let's not wait. Sarah detected at North Anchor. Stationary.
So this is not just a 15-second clip, it's a complete short movie generated with Seedance 2.0 using bulk generation. There's no need to wait hours to generate a single video. You can also create these viral football World Cup style videos for free using this platform. This platform is fully automated and works just like ChatGPT. You can create videos up to 25 minutes long with 100% character consistency and incredibly fast generation, all completely free. In this video, I'm going to show you everything step by step, so make sure you pay close attention. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. Meet Anijam AI, one of the most impressive AI animation platforms I've tested recently. What makes it different from other AI video generators is that it works as a complete AI agent. Instead of using multiple tools for scripting, image generation, voiceovers, character design, and video editing, Anijam combines everything into a single platform. That means anyone can create professional animated videos, even without any previous experience. And yes, this works not only on PC but also on mobile browsers and the Anijam iOS app, so you can literally create animated videos directly from your phone. So first of all, click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. You'll receive 500 free credits instantly, plus 100 additional credits every day through daily check-ins. These credits enough to make your first video. So first, let's create this trending World Cup video. Simply click on it, then click Try It, and it will open the generator page. As you can see, the prompt is already added, but you can customize it if needed. You can even upload your own face instead of Messi. The AI video mode is already selected, and the model is set to Seedance 2.0 by default. Next, choose your video duration, resolution, and aspect ratio, then simply click Generate. In just a few moments, it will create a video like this. The results are outstanding, and videos like these are going viral very easily these days. Now let's generate long videos with bulk generation using the Anijam Agent. Simply click on New Project, and it will bring you to this page. I added a simple idea along with scene directions, so the AI creates the video based on our instructions. We can also edit any scene at any time. From here, you can add reference images such as characters or locations. You can also switch to single mode if you only want to generate one image or one video, but I'm going with Anijam Agent so it can handle everything automatically. After clicking Run, it starts analyzing our scene directions and creates the best possible story outline for the video. Next, we just need to choose the video generation mode. We have 3 modes available: AI Director mode, Workflow mode, and the newly added Oscar mode. Oscar mode is especially great for cinematic film-style videos, so I'm selecting that because it comes with Seedance 2.0 support. After that, click Confirm, then select your audience, platform, aspect ratio, and video duration. Anijam AI can generate videos with Seedance 2.0 up to 25 minutes long while maintaining strong character and scene consistency. Once you click Confirm, within a few seconds it creates the story outline, then automatically generates the script, adds the story title, elements, character information, and other details. And after just a few more seconds, our complete story script is ready. So now we have the complete script along with the production brief. The next step is selecting the video style. I clicked on Video Style, and here we can either choose from Anijam's recommended styles or select one from the style library. You get access to a wide range of styles, which means you can create almost any type of video using Anijam AI. I selected this style, and it started applying it to our project. Now we reach the final confirmation screen. Check all the details, and if you want to make any changes, simply type them into the prompt section and the video settings will update automatically. Once everything is confirmed, I clicked on Concept Design with Oscar mode, and it started creating all the concept scenes. Next, simply click Generate All Concepts, and it automatically generates all character images, video locations, and visual elements that will be used throughout the video. You can also upload your own images if needed. Based on our instructions, it then creates the full scene concepts and generated 13 concept scenes for this project. We can preview every scene and make changes using simple text instructions. After that, click Continue to Video Generation. It splits the project into two video generation segments, so you can either generate videos one by one or generate everything at once. I want to generate all videos in one go, so I selected Generate All. Now we don't need to do anything, Anijam automatically generates every video scene. After a few minutes, all video scenes are completed. Then it asks whether we want to generate background music for the film. I clicked on it, and within a few seconds the AI created custom background music. Now everything is ready. It's time to render the final film. Click Render Preview Video, and the complete video is prepared. Then click Add Media to Timeline, and it opens Anijam's built-in editing feature. From here, we can add, remove, or replace any scene, just like using a traditional video editor. Once all adjustments are complete, click Advanced Export, set the export settings according to your needs, and click Export. And here is the final result.
I'm just saying you were absolutely lost and refused to ask for directions. Ethan!
I see it.
How many people are on this bridge right now?
Too many. I have to.
There are hundreds of people!
I know.
You can't get everyone!
North Anchor. Stay there. I'll come back for you last.
Pro Secret. Flight mode. Full power.
Crimson Rith online. Civilian count 47. Complete collapse in 18 minutes. Let's not wait. Sarah detected at North Anchor. Stationary. Go with the people in orange.
Are you an angel?
Not exactly. Damn, do you know who that is? 4 minutes. Hold on! Sarah! Look at me! Sarah!
How many?
47. Everyone made it.
Good. Hit the like button, everybody.
Subscribe before she makes Mace do this again.
You love it.
Yeah, I do.
The result is honestly amazing. What impressed me the most is how simple the entire process is. We started with just a single idea. No script writing, no animation software, no video editing experience. And yet, we ended up with a complete animated video. The AI agent handled almost everything automatically. This is especially useful for content creators, storytellers, YouTubers, marketers, and anyone who wants to create engaging animated content faster and with less effort. If you want to try Anijam AI yourself, check out the link in the description and the pinned comment. New users currently receive 500 free credits instantly after sign up. 100 free credits every day through daily check-ins. So you can start creating animated videos without spending anything upfront, so make sure you check it out, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments or reach out on our Discord server, where you can get all my used prompts, tutorials in one place, and lots of AI strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.